WWE Universe! Don't you dare be sour! Clap for your longest reigning tag champs and feel the power!
Somebody strapped Saxton into his chair.
I can't be strapped. I can't be stopped. I'm feeling the positivity.
The following contest is a fatal four-way match. Making his way to the ring, representing the New Day, from Tampa, Florida, weighing in at 285 pounds, one half of the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, Big E!
One thing can't be denied. On the big stage, Big E has a great track record and does his best work.
Corey, why aren't you clapping?
Because I cannot stand this. This is ridiculous. Like someone threw up unicorn glitter all over WWE.
Okay, we get it. We get it. You're a Debbie Downer. Get it, Big E.
Nice to see you've been studying your third-grade book of insults, Byron Saxton.
And his opponents, first, from San Antonio, Texas, weighing in at 241 pounds, Wesley Blake.
Byron, what's the thought process for these superstars heading into this fatal four-way match?
Well, you almost always see alliances form in matches like this. So for these superstars, it'll be important to make sure they're not on the wrong end of those alliances.
And I'd add that he certainly has his work cut out for him here tonight. Would you agree, Byron?
Yeah, this isn't going to be easy for him, that's for sure. But he knew that when he signed up for this match. It's the Golden Lince.
And representing Lucha House Party from San Juan, Puerto Rico, weighing in at 168 pounds, Lince Dorado.
Lince Dorado is as well-rounded in the ring as they come. He marries that high-flying Lucha style with a ground game he learned from the likes of Cesaro.
It's hard to imagine a bigger threat than a versatile opponent who can do it all.
Well, the Golden Lince is ready for anything. It's a big part of what makes him so much fun to watch.
And we're underway with this huge fatal four-way match. Oh, man.
Launched with a belly-to-belly.
You don't see this side of Big E very often. And the takedown brings him off his feet. Caught off guard.
Overhead belly-to-belly by Big E.
Ooh, what impact. Really just laying it in. Great agility there. Big knee.
Belly to belly. This contest can produce chaotic scenes. Corey, how does a competitor survive the mayhem and destruction to win the match?
Well, in totality, you must be able to thrive in a hostile environment against 3 hostile opponents. Dominance can be fleeting. In partnerships, well, they never last.
A striking blow.
Oh, targeting the stomach. That's what you call a bad landing. Just a debilitating neck breaker. Just a step quicker. Ooh-wee.
And guys, Lince Dorado taking full advantage.
Abdominal stretch. It's locked in. Oh, and he releases the submission.
I'm a little iffy on why that would be a good decision.
And he's heading back in. What a splash! They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. Huge elimination right there.
Has been eliminated.
What a shot!
That'll fillet your chest.
He's in full control now.
So much damage inflicted. Look out!
Exploder suplex.
The fatal 4-way match works like this. 4 superstars are in the ring all at once. There are no countouts and no disqualifications. You have 4 superstars who are thrown down in the ring all at the same time, and they can fight anywhere they want to. It's mass hysteria.
Power bomb. No way. Good God. Inverted Frankensteiner. It is so easy to stay in touch with your superstars 24/7 in a variety of social media outlets, including WWE's own Facebook page. Big back body drop. And look at from a back suplex.
Check out Big E's offense.
He got out of the way. Looking for the victory. Big E looking for the pin. He's got the shoulders down. Plenty of fight left.
And we continue.
Oh, my God, a clothesline.
If it's locked in, it could be nap time.
Now in full control.
Oh, look at his aggression. The powerhouse of the New Day has his opponent up.
Big E with a big E. Big E into the cover. No, a kick out.
Tried for it early.
Axe handle finds the mark.
Oh, right to the gut.
Oh, right to the spine with the knee.
That was vicious.
Can there be frustration mounting in these competitors, knowing it's going to take more to win this one?
You can't let those feelings seep into your psyche. You have to keep your focus.
Bringing it back into the ring. Gets him with a counter. And again, yet another counter. Clothesline to the back of the neck.
Nothing fancy here.
Abdominal stretch. It's locked in.
This is a great way to wear down your opponent.
Now that was athletic.
And guys, Lince Dorado taking full advantage.
Yet another counter.
It's like they're both somehow one step ahead of each other.
Shoulder tackle.
Has his opponent up.
This is about to be over because here
his for the taking. Another.
Here he goes for the win.
Wait, what? Wow. That's pretty unbelievable, Cole.
And finds a counter.
Had it scouted.
Oh, he's got him where he wants him.
Here we go.
Boom! Buckle bomb.
What impact.
Uh-oh. Soul kick.
Snap power slam. On the move.
Picking up speed.
Incredible elevation from the big man. There's two.
Can we believe what he's withstood here tonight?
He's looking a little dazed, guys.
And he's got nowhere to go in that corner. Gutbuster. Very effective.
Launched with a belly-to-belly.
Stomping down. Reverses. Can he make him pay?
Talk about dismantling your opponent. The powerhouse of the New Day has his opponent up.
Big E with a big ending.
Gonna be taking that
Shoulders down. Oh, but how?
You got to question, how much is it worth? How much is it worth to continue through the agony?
It's obviously worth everything. Obviously worth every drop of sweat on the ground. These superstars must be feeding off the WWE Universe.
This place is starting to rock.
A competitor has been eliminated.
And guys, Lince Dorado taking full advantage.
And it's Big E showing some agility.
All right, that was impressive. Backbreaker and backbreaker.
And Lince Dorado slips out of harm's way. Oh, man. German suplex with the release.
Narrowly avoiding trouble.
Yeah, that could have been bad. Down with the suplex.
Big E is really feeling it now. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. What a shot.
That'll fillet your chest.
Showing no signs of defense here, guys. Scoop slam into the ropes.
Man.
Lives to fight another day. Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. The powerhouse of the New Day has his opponent up.
The big ending. This is his chance. Will he see?
He's got him down. Is this it? He kicked out. Oh, my God, he kicked out.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up.
Incredible elevation from the big man.
Two. Are you kidding me?
How this match is still going on defies all reasoning.
And Big E manages to reverse out that one.
I wanted Mr. Bootyworth to penetrate my ears. Watch out, E-Train, my...
Wait a minute. Schoolboy. I can't believe he had the energy to kick out of that.
Dangerous.
What a raucous crowd here tonight.
And it's Big E showing some agility.
All right, that was impressive.
Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent. And Lince Dorado slips out of harm's way.
And guys, Lince Dorado taking full advantage.
Exploder suplex. Here we go. Big E is setting up.
The powerhouse of the New Day has his opponent up. The big ending! That could be it.
Lince Dorado has been eliminated. Here
strategy fell into place with that victory.
Wow, he absolutely manhandled him there toward the end.
The action we see each and every year at Money in the Bank simply never ceases to amaze me.